Hello everyone, I hope you all will be fine. Today's episode is going to be very fantastic because today I am going to tell you how can you speak in English by talking to yourself. Talking to yourself is a mesmerizing and remarkable activity, and you will feel that you can express your feelings and emotions more freely because there is no one who can see your mistakes. There is no one who can point out your weaknesses, so you are free to show your emotions. In this activity, you are the player and you are the judge, and don't be afraid because you are the winner to all sides. You have heard the story about the old man and the sea. The old man couldn't catch a fish after struggling many days, but he doesn't give up. He talks to himself and he thinks that there is someone with him and he is not alone, and he thinks that this thing gives him courage. And after some days, he succeeds in catching the fish. The thing is that he doesn't give up. So please, you don't give up. Continue your effort. Now I am going to tell you which things you should talk about. Number one, talk about daily affairs of life. If you are Jobian and you have to go to the office and you are getting up at 6 in the morning, you should say, oh, I am getting up late. I have to take shower. I have to prepare my breakfast. I have to go to the office. So I think I should get up now. And if you are making your breakfast, then you should say, oh, I am preparing my breakfast and it will be very delicious because it's me who are making breakfast for myself. So you can use these sentences like this. And whatever you are doing with things you are doing, you should talk about the things. I am doing this thing, I am doing this thing, now I have to wash the clothes, now I have to do this thing. So talk to yourself. Number two, description of things and people. If you are sitting in your room and you don't have a partner, then you should talk about the things which you have in your room. For example, if you see the bag on the table, you should say, oh, my bag is on the table. The table seems to be dusty, so I think I should clean it. My furniture is brown. It seems to be good. Okay, if you are out of your home and you are not driving, you are sitting on the back seat of the car, so you should observe the things and people, and you should talk to yourself about the people and the things which you are seeing. For example, you should see what are they wearing, how are they walking, and you should talk about the shop. Okay, it's a tuck shop. If you see the restaurant, then you should say, oh, I will definitely taste the food of this restaurant one day. It seems to be good. So you should observe the things and people, and you should talk to yourself about the people and the things which you are seeing. For example, you should see what are they wearing, how are they walking, and you should talk about the shop. Okay, it's a tuck shop. If you see the restaurant, then you should say, oh, I will definitely taste the food of this restaurant one day. It seems to be good. Number three, talk to yourself about your relatives. Relatives, those who have done wrong to you and those who have done good to you. And think about the relatives. Why are some of your relatives angry with you? What are the reasons? And you should talk to yourself. What have I done wrong to them? And why are they angry with me? You should talk to yourself like this, and then you start to make sentences, start to speak English. Look around you. You have a lot of things to describe. If you learn to describe the people, the things around you, Honestly, you will start to speak English. Learn how to make sentences. If you observe the things and people very closely, then you will learn to make sentences and you will learn to speak English automatically. If you do this activity, you will learn to make sentences and you will start to speak English. There is no need to spend thousands money on the English language courses. It depends upon you. How much effort are you putting on? Do this activity and you will learn to speak English within months. And now it's time to say you goodbye. Okay, Allah Hafiz.